Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are we doing, guys? Let me know who's in the chat already. Hello Mukesh. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, happy doing now. Hope you have a clue what's going to happen. Yeah, kinda. I think I have an idea. What's up, Wolf? What's up, everyone? How it's going? It's going well. It's going well. Very good. Just had a workshop just before with a partner. So we had a nice call together, and now streaming, and then we resume the workshop later. So yeah, pretty busy day. Hello Balance. Hello. All right, so we're gonna jump straight into the charts. Let's see. So for now, I know that some people are worried and scared. Hello outsider. I know some people are worried or scared, and it's normal considering how the market looks. Okay, but for BTC we're still fine. Okay, we're still fine. If you're in the Discord, you know what I did. So I don't see any reason to get mad or to get like scared, whatever. As long as BTC is still above its support. The problem is just altcoins. Okay, but even altcoins, we have the opportunity to take a look now. Hello, Ozu. And what we notice, we went back to the support level. Okay, guys, we managed to hold on the daily. We closed the daily just above, okay, just above the support level. So as long as we stay here, we're good. I'd only be concerned if we start to lose that level. It would not be a good thing. Really not a good thing. And regarding BTC, see the BTC dominance. This is the plan that I have. So far, it's respecting the plan. So far, we might have another plan, another push. Sorry, another push before going lower. Okay. So we'll pay a lot of attention to this. We pay a lot of attention to that BTC dominance stuff, and to the total tree as well. Okay, we want to stay here. Ethereum against BTC. If you've been attending to the stream yesterday, I said I want a weekly close above the horizontal here. Very subjective though. Right, this is an area where we had couple bounces. Okay, this is why I'd like to see it being reclaimed for ETH. You want to be bullish on ETH. This is the main condition for me. Okay. So we talked quickly about BTC. I'm still expecting a push, like a squeeze at least towards the supply around 108. I don't know, man. It looks strange. Yeah, when things, usually when things go down, when things are bleeding, it always looks strange. You know what I mean? I had this plan on the CRV as well. Remember, we talked about the equal lows. Okay. Video open interest, CV. Yeah. Before we jump to alts, we have the heat map, Alright, so you see once again, 104 is our support. We have the stop loss below, and above 106 we have the short stop losses. Alright, you see 107 up to 107. Now we're gonna pay attention to the super shorts. Hopefully I'm still logged in. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, what do we have? So we had the open interest being reset a bit. This is not a bad thing. Really not a bad thing. spot is not really active. As you can see here, guys, spot is not really active. We had a little interest from spot during the deep. Okay, but nothing glorious. Okay, it's just okay, not impressive. It's not alarming, it's not aggressively selling, but it's not like bullish at all. Okay, it's pretty shy. Now it's pretty shy. So what you want to pay attention to is also, as it's first day, we have the labor market data. All right, guys, we have the unemployment claims in the US, as you can see here at 2:30. So Monk will be live in the Discord for the pre-open market brief. So we will discuss the data with the members. All right, and it will be very important to watch the market reaction. Very important. Okay, because yesterday the ADP suggested that we created less employment, so we want to see if it's going to be confirmed today. Okay. Can you share analysis on major launch count podcast? Yeah, just after. Can you do Nasdaq have a potential reversal level just above? Let's see. Nasdaq. A potential reversal level just above. Yeah, that one, I guess. We have liquidity above now. I wouldn't take a short. Because we have equal highs that are meant to be taken. And for a scalp, we'll have a long play. Yeah. Have that order block right here, and we could target the highs. We have a trade looking. Could have a scalp looking like this. Tack. For a scalp, it could be good. So we can clear the highs. Yeah. What do you think? If you lose that, you know that it's going to be dramatic. It's going to be a nice cascade. Sorry, guys. We have the gap here as well. We never came back to fill the gap. It would be a thing. Yeah, so be careful with the highs just here. Sol. So for Solana, I'm still eyeing for that to play out. The plan to I'll show you, it's on H12. To go back to that demand right here. You see we have the demand zone, we have the range, the mid range. So I'd like to see it being tagged again. All right. Something like that. Sol. Okay. We have hype, can be interesting because it's approaching a nice level again. Okay, we're gonna clear the charts. Ethereum being so strong, can it come to take the lows? Yeah, obviously we're gonna check Ethereum. So hype, I still have that level. Okay, the demand that we have just here. We could have something here once again because we have the value area high. We have the value area high here. And we have another block right here. So it could refill that order block and go up. Only thing is the reaction was not great. It didn't lead to a new high. So that's why I'm still targeting. I still like 27, 28. Not sounds greedy, but I still love it. You got it? I'm just gonna change the music. Injective is getting interesting. Let's say we're gonna check if first. For if you see we're still inside the value area. Okay guys, we're still inside that zone. Yesterday we mentioned it on stream. You know, we were waiting for a sweep of the value area low, value area high before a drop. So we had the sweep and then we had the drop. Okay, now I am eyeing for that level 25.50, 25.30 for a potential retest of the point of control before going up again. Okay, that's the plan on E for now. If it goes up, good. But if it goes lower, then this is definitely what I'm looking for. Okay. Shorted 12.30. We had a short in the Discord as well at 13 yesterday. The plan was shared by Roger. I have two different things. I think I need to clean one. Right. Yeah, we had the short here at the top. That's great. Really good. Now what do we have? We're gonna pull the feed. Okay. Volume profile as well. Okay, we are at value area low now. Interesting. Interesting. Value area low is holding, but the reaction is not that great. Not that great, and I don't like that wall thing. But for me, it looks like we could do something like this, you know. Okay, it looks like that. I don't know why. I have a weird feeling with injective. Are we going to see sub 10 again? Do you think we're going to see sub 10 again? Maybe. Dead major, launch coin, cut. What? All. It looks terrific. Your major thing looks terrific, man. Absolutely terrific. You could have something here on major at 20 cents. But it looks bad. It looks like a shitcoin, an illiquid shitcoin. To be honest. What's up, Guillaume? It's been a while. I don't really like that kind of stuff. It's been launched, and since the launch, it's down on me. Like, guys, I'm telling this for you, but stay away from these things. Stay away from these things. Like, something that just pumped on the release and it's been down on me ever since, made new lows, all-time lows after all-time lows. Just stay away, or really stay away. Yes, same here. Exact same thing. Like, if you want to trade this shit, then you have potential long here, you have potential short here. If we take these highs, okay, looks bad, really bad. I was in vacation. What's your view on your USD? Bullish. Bullish. We might have some fuckery though today with the ECB refinancement policy, monetary policy. Popcat. And Popcat just looks as bad. Just looks as bad, man. I mean, if we close like this, then for me it will go here first and then maybe here. But it looks really bad, really bad. And that's a good thing that when the market is it's pulling back, meme coins like that are being smashed. It's healthy, in my opinion. It's healthy. It's healthy that the shit coins are being dumped first, and you have to adapt. You have to be aware of that, guys. You have to be aware. Look at the shit coins and meme coins. Look at that. Side Doge and Bonk, and still Bonk took a massive hit already. Doge as well. But if you look at WIF taking a big hit, Shortcoin taking a big hit as well, and that's a good thing that they are being smashed. Same with the OP. Still aiming for that imbalance to be filled. So be careful. You have to be aware, guys. Be careful, okay? But they don't look good. Like the list that you sent, Launchcoin, Popcat and stuff, they don't look good. They really don't look good. But the first two, like your major coin, Launchcoin, you should avoid this shit, to be honest. Chasing pumps at launch. You should really avoid this. The market is illiquid. There is no liquidity flowing into the market, so these things cannot be sustainable. Okay, it cannot be sustainable. They make quick money at launch, and then there is no money to sustain the push, you know. Pal, why I have the music? Pal. Same, brother. Like, why are you interested in PAL when it looks like this and it's weak as hell? You see, it's extremely weak. You have stronger project, I think, related to AI. For example, you have Fetch. You see, it looks much better. Looks much better than this. Okay, so try to focus on the strength. Okay, try to focus on the strength. Do not feel or do not think but because the price is going down, then you're gonna catch the bottom. You know, it's try to spot the strength and follow the strength. Very important, especially in such market conditions. Same here. Same here. If it was a good project, then why it's been down on me ever since? You know what I mean? Yeah, it looks good. I understand your POV. You probably think, okay, this is a bottom here, this is a nice support, it's worth a shot. But the thing has been released in December and it's been down only after allowing the early investors to get the profits in their pocket. Okay. Let's check Euro USD. So as I said, can be a nice support, but just taking a look at the global chart, at the like zooming out and looking at the chart, I wouldn't try anything. So Euro USD played. It's absolutely crazy how accurate we've been. You see, we planned the whole move in advance. The plan B was to get back inside the blue box, but look how crazy we did follow the plan. Absolutely crazy, right? So now let's see if we're going to retest this afternoon because we have the ECB talking. So let's see if we're gonna retest this area again. Okay. Obviously 116 is going to be a big res and 120 then. All right, but I'm pretty much bullish on euro because anyway, if they want to anyway, you know that the Trump administration wants to weaken the USD to allow more investments, to allow the economy to boom again. Okay. AAV, yeah, we can check AAV. AAV looks like a short to me. Alright, you saw I had this in case we can flip the area, but here it looks like a short, in my opinion. Looks like a short. The short has already been shared in the Discord by Vazi. Okay, and you could have a first TP. At value area high. Okay. And what other AI coins do you think is good for spot buys right now? I think Tao is not that bad. I think that Tao is okay. Nia maybe. And we could have also 0.5 retest right here. I more think level 160 short. What do you mean 166 short? The price is at 262 now. You meant 266 maybe? What's your thoughts on employment claims and NFP later and tomorrow? I think unemployment claims will confirm ADP yesterday, the ADP that we got yesterday. We'll see. We will see. The thing is, I think if we get lower employment, then the market will force and anticipate the Fed to cut rates. So for me, it would be good to have lower employments. So the Fed will be forced to cut rates. And if they cut rates, then the liquidity will flow into the market. You know that, right? But yeah, 266 can be a good entry. Absolutely. The trade sent was a market entry at 261, so we're gonna see. We'll see. But yeah, for now it looks like a short. Until we flip the resistance, it looks like a short, guys. Definitely. WLD. Don't be desperate, my brother. Desperate. Still okay. We had this charted on stream and on Twitter as well. So you know I am looking for this to happen. All right. Is that clear? Checking something really quick. If you allow me, brothers. All right. ENA is good to buy right now. We're gonna check ENA. ENA. ENA, I'm still waiting for this. Okay, remember we said we have liquidity here to be taken, so we took the liquidity. We had a dip inside that demand, so it can be. You have two options. You have two options. If you're aggressive, you see that you have the value area low just here, and you have another block as well. So you could be tempted to buy here, okay, the retest of the value area low. But I still think we can have that FVG to be filled. Okay, you see that imbalance? I will show you. All right. I'm still aiming for this to be filled, so we could have a nice long inside that demand. Okay, inside the demand that is right here. You understand? If you get a dip like that, that's your opportunity. Nonetheless, this area can be interesting. This area can be definitely interesting. You have another block. You have the OTE. You have the value area low. Could be a thing. What will be your target prices for ENA? I would say 40. Have the point of control and the value area high, basically. Be either this, you know, with a stop here, or this, a stop here or here. Both trades are good. Both trades are good. You see, is that for spot or leverage, whatever, as long as you manage the risk. But it's more like leverage trades. Otherwise, I would target higher. But I wouldn't buy ENA for spots. I'm not interested at all to buy ENA and add it to my spot bag. Like, definitely not. Looks okay. I like how it looks. Is he trying to push? How is it looking down here? All right. What's it? We'll see. We'll see. All right, guys. Any questions? It will be lunchtime, so we'll end the stream. And then I will jump with Monk on the pre-open market brief, but it's in the Discord to prepare the session, the US session, and to talk about the unemployment claims. So any question, guys, before I disconnect? It was a pleasure once again. I want to insist, as usual. It's always a pleasure to see you guys here. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I see you tomorrow in the morning. Here on YouTube, and tomorrow afternoon on Twitch again. All right, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, have fun. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, and don't forget, have your stop loss, don't risk too much. The market is in a weird shape right now. So bye everyone, cheers, it was a pleasure. Thank you so much.